Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Dania. I'm just going to be showing you how I created this look for my medical ball. It's Arabian themed, and so I decided to go with my Pakistani outfit and makeup, and yeah, if you guys want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. I am looking crazy right now, but I'm keeping the translucent powder under my eyes to catch any fallout from when I do my eyes. I like doing my face first. I don't know why other people prefer their eyes, but I like my face first. And I didn't do my forehead because when I do my eyes, I go like this and then I'll get wrinkles by the end. So I do my forehead completely last. Yeah, let's just jump straight into the eyes. I'm copying this look by makeupbyalinna and I love it. It's not going to look anything as good as that, but I will let you guys know how I go. So, sorry for the cut-in thing, but I was getting really late. I'm still getting really late, and so I just finished my makeup off. I have Huda Beauty, what colour is it? I just made it upside down. Trendsetter on my lips. I just put eyelashes on. They're no, it's just a random brand. It's like, I don't know, it's not anything crazy. Yeah, and then I just put a bit more contour on, and here's the finished look. I'm gonna go and do my hair. I have half an hour to do my hair. I'm gonna go do my hair, and then I'm gonna finish off and get ready. But yeah, this is the look, intermediate. I'm gonna do my hair, put Pakistani jewelry on, and then I will be back. And I have transformed, so this is the final look with the makeup and the look and everything. And I'm getting really late. I'm already 15 minutes late. No, actually, I'm 25 minutes late, but fashionably late, that's fine. I've curled my hair, if you guys can see it. So that's the final look. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and I will see you guys in my next video.